Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for today's discussion is the vitality of soft skills in academia and corporate interface. Message: a lovely friendship should have the determination of a mirror which never loses its ability even if it is broken into 1,000 pieces. Coming to the topic, academics cannot exist without the corporate and corporates cannot exist without management. Management education should meet the industry needs. There is complete mismatch between what is being taught within the four walls of the classrooms in B schools and the requirement of the corporate sector. There is complete mismatch. I have been crusading for this for the last 30 years. Why I have been crusading for this? There should be match between corporate sector and academics, the classroom. What is taught in the classroom, not useful in corporate sector, in industry. What is the use? That complete mismatch between industry and classroom should be shattered at once now. High time to re-engineer the Indian management education for the coming times, focusing on B schools and business organizations. Business schools and business organizations interface. Plethora of factors for getting rank into B schools. Plethora, abundance. One factor is placements. Placement can be tersely defined as acceptability of a student by the corporate sector. Tersely means abruptly. It is interface between a B school and the corporate which gets a student placed. Interface means linkage. Stronger the linkage between the B school and the B organization, better will be the placements of the B school, business school. Soft skills have a greater role to play in making a student acceptable to the corporate sector. One message in Telugu. మనసు మారుతుంది ఒక మాటతో, కళ మారుతుంది ఒక మెలకువతో, ప్రేమ విడిపోతుంది ఒక అనుమానంతో, జీవితం మారుతుంది మంచి స్నేహంతో. తెలుగు knowing people enjoyed this message. Coming to the topic, list of lots of resources used by the B schools will go waste if they will produce professionals without having a strong linkage with the industry. If the business schools produce candidates without any usefulness to industry, then the manpower is wasted, lot of money is also wasted. Present trends of interface between B schools and B organizations. What is the interface, linkage between business schools and business organizations? 1. Industrial visits. For first-hand experience of the corporate sector, industrial visits are to be arranged by the business schools. 2. Summer placements. Part of curriculum and for a hands-on experience of the corporate, summer placements are required. 3. Providing consultancy for doing market survey for a company guided by a professor. 4. Conducting EDP, Executive Development Program, by academic institutes with a view to refreshing the executives. 5. Placing industry leaders on advisory boards. IIMs, Indian Institutes of Management, have a trend of having any corporate leaders like K.R. Narayana Murthy as the chairman. 6. Appointing placement coordinator. Placement coordinator markets the institute to the corporate. 7. Campus recruitment. Institutes invite companies for recruiting their students through HR consultancies. 8. Designing regional, sectoral and specialization courses. MBA in civil aviation, pharma marketing, real estate marketing, like courses are to be designed. 9. Offering scholarships. Scholarships provided by Tatas, Birlas, etc. have helped meritorious and needy students to acquire professional education. 10. Financial assistance in organizing various activities. These activities include annual fests, cultural programs and quizzes, etc. Message, humorous message between father and son. Father asking, "Hey son, why is your mother sitting so silent today?" Son replied, "Nothing, dad. She asked for lipstick and I had fevistick." Father, God bless you, my son. Okay? Coming to the topic, reasons for delinking of B schools and B organizations. First, number 1, first and foremost reason is minimum interaction between B schools and B organizations. Number 2, knowledge gap. Number 3, skill gap, soft skill disparity. Number 4, attitude gap, personality development. Number 5, passive role played by placement officer because he is a full-time faculty member. 6, summer training is faulty. 7, complete mismatch between what is being taught in B schools and the requirement of organizations. Already we discussed this point. Linking of B schools and B organizations. The earlier what I taught, those were the reasons there was delinkage between industry and schools, between B schools and B organizations. Now what I say, linking how it should be done. Linking must take place between B schools and B organizations. The future business will be governed by the following characteristics. I am giving you some characteristics. By these characteristics, the future business will be linked. 1. Information explosion. 2. Physical B schools will be replaced by virtual schools. 3. Increasing role of soft skills. Soft skills give you a competitive edge when all other things are same. Number 4. Borderless economics. In global village situation, physical borders will become irrelevant. 5. Intense competition. Concepts like level playing field will become irrelevant. 6. Corporate will have more managers than workers. 7. Diverse workforce. Organization will invite people from various parts of the world. 8. Continuous innovation. World is changing fast. 9. Flexible working styles like employees work from home will become prevalent. 10. Environmental factors. These are required. So before going to 11th point, let me give you one message. Smooth road never makes a good driver. Clear sky never makes good pilot. Problem-free life never makes good person. Life is challenge. Face it like me. I faced challenges in life. Face it. Okay. Number 11. Legal. Liquor ads in Western countries are legal while the same are illegal in countries like India. 12. Technological proliferation. 13. Political system means policy making. All things flow according to policies formulated by the politicians. Magic mantra of linking. 1. Localization. Alliances with local businesses are very critical. 2. Cost effectiveness. Conducting campus recruitment. 3. Regional and sectoral requirements. Designing courses which are job specific. Already discussed this point. 4. Innovative methods. 5. Establishing soft skill labs. What are the innovative methods? What are the innovative methods? Establishing soft skills labs. Establishing language labs. Organizing management fairs. Opening incubation units similar on the lines of IITs. This idea has been borrowed from incubation units technology of Austin, Manchester and Stanford universities. Next point is setting up more collaborative B schools such as ISB Hyderabad, which is supported by top Indian industries and has commitments from Harvard Business School. Next point, endowment of chairs in B schools. Linking of B schools and B organizations is need of the hour. So start linking now. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
many people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts, hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills or soft skills. There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They are all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.